Hello, this is attorney Michael Beer, 516-569-4107, beerlawoffice@gmail.com. It's Thursday, March 26th at approximately 12 noon. A couple of updates and some information, and we'll have some other advice and information as well, unrelated to traffic law specifically. Traffic courts and the DMV remain closed at this time. Still only available for online transactions. Anybody who has previously been suspended prior to March 16th will unfortunately have to remain suspended until the courts reopen. With regards to cases that have been on since March 16th, the DMV is adjourning them. There are still some gaps in that adjournments. There are still cases that have not been adjourned, but they say they will get to all of them. With regards to suspensions that will come into effect between March 16th and when they reopen, the DMV has indicated to us that they will be forbearing from those suspensions for the time being. No specific information on how or why, so just be forewarned to check your record if you have a concern. Okay, turning to some other interesting things that have been going on. Frequently people come to me as a notary. I've been a notary for over 30 years. And there's been an amazing change in notarization. New York now allows the performance of notary using audio-visual technology under certain conditions. Firstly, the person seeking the notary services, if they're not personally known to the notary, must present valid photo ID during a video conference, not before or after, but must actually display it during the video conference. The video conference must allow for direct interaction between the person seeking notary and the actual notary, so it can't be pre-recorded for that purpose. The person must affirmatively represent to the notary that they are present in New York State at the time that they sign the document. Immediately after they sign the document, they must transmit it either by fax or by email, a legible copy to the notary, so that the notary can then notarize it that same date and time. The notary can then transmit the document back to the person who signed it with the notary stamp on it. If the notary does come into possession of the original after the original execution, they can repeat the notarization of the original document as of the date of execution, provided that they have both copies within 30 days. So this is some interesting new and unrelated to traffic law, but an amazing change in New York State law allowing for remote notarization. I've been a notary for over 35 years. It's always been you must be in the same place at the same time as the person who signed the document. So this is an amazing development. Obviously, necessity breeds invention, and New York State is allowing this. So if you need notary services, I do provide that as well. You can certainly email me at beerlawoffice@gmail.com or call 516-569-4107. We might be able to accommodate your notarization concerns. With regards to other types of concerns, do you have a business transaction, a lease transaction that you're concerned about? We can certainly either review it for you or refer you to the right person who can assist you with that. With regards to healthcare proxies and living wills, we do have colleagues that we can refer people to if you'd like to execute those types of documents. Again, using the remote notarization process if necessary. With regards to wills, there are attorneys that are still out there preparing wills for people. Some people are concerned if they get sick during this COVID-19 crisis, they might need a will. So we can certainly assist in finding the right lawyer for you to help with those types of transactions. I stand ready, able, and willing to assist all my clients, present, past, and future clients. So reach out to us at beerlawoffice@gmail.com or at 516-569-4107. I want to again reiterate to people, stay off the street. It's not only for essential purposes. You're going to the store, going to the bank, other essential purposes. But if you don't need to be out, don't be out. Unfortunately, we're seeing that because the New York City Transit Authority Cut back on trains. The trams are now becoming crowded. Certainly not in a manner that is friendly to social distancing. And so you want to consider care and caution when using public transportation. The roads appear to be empty. And so we're seeing, I saw an amazing video of a head-on 5-car collision yesterday in Brooklyn due to a speeding driver. So even though the roads are empty, you still have to drive with caution. So again, we highly suggest that unless you have some emergent reason to be out, don't be out. Be safe, be with your family, and we'll talk to you again. Have a great day.